Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to install the Bunker High Fender on the Triumph Scrambler. Before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not responsible for any damage caused to your bike or yourself. You do this at your own risk. But trust me, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can do, so sit back, relax, and let's get into it. First, let's talk about what you'll need. A High Fender from Bunker Customcycles, a 5mm Allen wrench, and about 30 minutes of your time. That's it, seriously. Alright? Let's start by removing the stock fender. There are 4 screws holding it in place. Just undo those and carefully lift the fender off. Set it aside somewhere safe in case you ever want to go back to stock. Now, take that underneath mudguard and secure it in position using the same 4 screws you just removed. Simple as that, you're already halfway there. Next, head up to the top of the fork. You'll find 3 screws up there. Those are the mounting points for the High Fender. Go ahead and remove them. Now, the fun part, installing the High Fender. Line it up with the 3 holes at the top of the fork. Use those same 3 screws to bolt it down, and give everything a quick once over to make sure it's sitting right. Finish it off with a little polish, and you're done. And just like that, the whole character of the Scrambler changes. That High Fender instantly gives it a proper off-road adventure-ready look, like it rolled straight out of the desert. It's one of those mods that makes a big visual impact for very little effort. And just look at that difference. Before and after, the High Fender completely transforms the Scrambler. It's like a whole new bike. I absolutely love how it turned out, and the best part, it couldn't have been easier to install. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and there's a lot more content like this coming your way. See you in the next one.